Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Ambimall Floor Lamp, and it's a really good looking floor lamp. This lamp was easy to install. It'll probably take you 5 minutes or less. It's very simple, very stylish. It's got that weighted base like most of these floor lamps do. And it also has the foot switch, which is a feature that I really like. Now, I bought the black lamp with the white shade, so let me try to give you a little bit of a close-up to the shade. And you know, this lamp also looks great when you don't have a light on, so that was important to us. I'm going to use the foot switch to cycle through these color temps. I think you'll really like it. There's your warm. There is your much cooler, a whiter light. And there's even the next stage up. That's a pretty white light and is very, very inviting, very nice light. And if you just want something warm and cozy, go back down to the warm golden light. Let me give you an example again of the colors of these lights. There's your warm light. And there is your white light. So yeah, it's going to look great in our living room. I think that's where my wife's going to put it. She mentioned maybe something about the downstairs den, but who knows? We like it. I think you'll like it too. So if you're watching this video about this lamp, I hope you found it helpful.